Books have the power to inform, entertain, and inspire, but there are certain books that transcend comprehension and leave even the greatest thinkers perplexed. Argentine writer Jorge Luis Borges once confessed his defeat by Immanuel Kant's monumental work, The Critique of Pure Reason. These enigmatic books, rather than providing clear answers, often confuse and bewilder us, inviting contemplation and curiosity. From cryptic prophecies to deep psychoanalysis and occult texts, they form a collection of the most mysterious books in history. In this video, we explore their fascinating origins, messages, and authors, shedding light on the unknown. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for more captivating content.
Number 1. The Enigmatic Book of Soyga. The 16th century Book of Soyga holds a significant place in the realm of magic. Discovered by John Dee, an Elizabethan occultist, astrologer, and mathematician who served as an advisor to Queen Elizabeth I of England. This mysterious tome disappeared for almost 4 centuries. Its enigma was unraveled when a scholar stumbled upon it in the archives of the British Library in 1994. Contained within its nearly 200 pages are instructions for summoning demons, practicing magic, and exploring astrological ideas alongside perplexing and incomprehensible approaches. John Dee, a polymath capable of teaching algebra at the University of Paris before the age of 30, was known for his fascination with communicating with angels. Upon discovering the Book of Soyga, Dee sought the aid of a medium to establish contact with the archangel Uriel, hoping that this celestial being could unlock the text's meaning. However, according to Dee, Uriel provided only partial assistance, revealing that the book had been bestowed upon Adam in paradise by angels. To fully comprehend its contents, Dee believed he needed to consult the Archangel Michael. Written partly in Latin, the book presents over 40,000 characters arranged in a peculiar tablet-like code, hinting at hidden secrets. It references unknown medieval magical treatises, and beyond its instructional sections on magic, demonology, and astrology, features lists of planetary conjunctions, as well as names and genealogies of angels. While Jim Reitz managed to decipher the algorithm used to construct the tables within the Book of Soyga, the actual contents of these tables remain an enigma, shrouded in obscurity.
Number 2. The Necronomicon, Unveiling the Enigmatic Grimoire of H.P. Lovecraft. The Necronomicon, a name that resonates with mystery and the arcane, is a literary creation that has captivated the imaginations of readers for decades. This fictional grimoire, crafted by the renowned American author H.P. Lovecraft, has transcended its origins and become an enduring icon within the realms of horror and the occult. In Lovecraft's works of cosmic horror, the Necronomicon is portrayed as an ancient book of forbidden knowledge, rumored to have been written by the mad Arab Abdul al-Azard. It is said to contain accounts of unspeakable horrors, otherworldly entities, and rituals that delve into the darkest depths of the human psyche. Lovecraft's vivid descriptions and intricate mythology have lent the Necronomicon an air of authenticity, blurring the lines between fiction and reality. The allure of the Necronomicon lies not only in its portrayal within Lovecraft's stories, but also in its impact beyond the realm of literature. Its inclusion in Lovecraft's mythos, along with references in subsequent works by other authors, has sparked a wave of urban legends and fascination among occult enthusiasts. Many believe that the Necronomicon holds genuine occult secrets, and some even claim to have possession of authentic copies. Despite its fictional origins, numerous authors and occultists have sought to recreate or expand upon Lovecraft's creation. These attempts range from crafting detailed grimoires emulating the style of the Necronomicon to developing intricate systems of magic inspired by its dark lore. The Necronomicon has become a symbol of the esoteric and a source of inspiration for those exploring the realms of the unknown. It is important to emphasize that the Necronomicon is purely a work of fiction. Lovecraft himself acknowledged that he had invented the book for his stories. Nevertheless, the enduring fascination surrounding it speaks to the power of Lovecraft's storytelling and his ability to tap into the primal fears and curiosity of readers. The Necronomicon's legacy extends far beyond the written word. It has permeated popular culture, appearing in various forms of media such as films, television shows, and even music. Lovecraft's creation continues to resonate with audiences, serving as a testament to the enduring power of the written word and the allure of the mysterious and unknown. In the end, the Necronomicon remains a testament to the extraordinary imagination of H.P. Lovecraft. Its fictional existence has captured the hearts and minds of countless individuals, blurring the boundaries between reality and fantasy. Whether seen as a work of horror fiction or a gateway to hidden knowledge, the Necronomicon stands as a testament to the enduring impact of Lovecraft's literary legacy.
Number 3. The Mysterious Prophecies of Nostradamus 1555. Michael Nostradamus, a French apothecary who proclaimed himself a seer, gained significant renown in the occult world with the publication of his book, The Prophecies. Composed of 942 poetic quatrains, Nostradamus' work was hailed by his followers as a collection that foretells future events. To protect himself from potential persecution by the Inquisition, Nostradamus chose to clothe his messages in cryptic language, utilizing metaphors and employing various linguistic and literary devices such as apocryphes, enigmatic phrases, metathesis, and brief anagrams. The enduring allure of Nostradamus' prophetic quatrains lies precisely in their literary obscurity, allowing for diverse readings and interpretations over nearly 470 years. Nostradamus drew inspiration from branch shows, the Oracle of Delphi and Devotee of Apollo, who prophesied while seated on a bronze tripod, intently gazing at a bowl containing water, oil, and spices. Nostradamus believed that achieving a state of tranquility and mental stillness, known as the alpha state, was crucial for accurate divination. In a letter to King Henry II of France, the purported seer expressed, "I have emptied my whole soul, brain, and heart of all worry, and have attained a state of tranquility and stillness of mind, which are requisites for predicting through the bronze tripod." Critics of Nostradamus argue that many of his quatrains are intentionally vague, making them susceptible to multiple interpretations. Furthermore, skeptics assert that his fame stems from a mental process known as retroactive precognition, wherein an event that has already occurred is manipulated to fit a pre-existing written text.
Number 4. The Enigmatic Ripley Scroll, Pursuit of the Philosopher's Stone. Recognized worldwide as a symbol of alchemy, the Ripley Scroll has achieved fame through its appearance in the first Harry Potter book and film. It represents the central aspiration and elusive quest for the Philosopher's Stone, a legendary substance that has captivated alchemists throughout history. Revered as a mystical panacea, the Philosopher's Stone was believed to possess the power to transmute base metals into gold or silver, while also serving as an elixir for rejuvenation and even immortality. Some alchemists attributed additional abilities to it, such as resurrecting dead plants or creating human clones. In 1570, the remarkable Ripley Scroll emerged, stretching nearly 20 feet in length and offering a detailed description of the process for creating the coveted Philosopher's Stone. It acquired its name from George Ripley, an English alchemist of the 15th century who spent 2 decades studying alchemy in Italy and formed a close friendship with Pope Innocent VIII. Upon his return to England, Ripley authored various alchemical books, including the 12 Gates leading to the discovery of the Philosopher's Stone, which he dedicated to King Edward IV. Ripley, reputedly wealthy, claimed the ability to transmute base metals into gold, a claim that found credibility among many. The Ripley Scroll is replete with enigmatic symbols and mystical imagery, yet the complete understanding of its alchemical icons remains elusive. The original version of the scroll has significantly deteriorated, and its contents are primarily known through copies created by 16th century artists, with 23 of these replicas still preserved. These reproductions exhibit minor variations, reflecting the individual styles of the artists involved.